Hi investors, it's Bernice Bretzloff with TurnkeyInvest.com. I help investors just like yourself buy and sell real estate right here in Memphis, Tennessee, just like this turnkey property behind me. Today we are in North Memphis in the 38108, taking a look at a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in a B-class area. Let's go take a look. This property is located at 1492 North Trezevant Street in Memphis, Tennessee. This property is listed for sale at $129,900. This is a property that we personally renovated turnkey. The roof is less than 5 years old. We have brand new windows throughout the home. New exterior paint, all on the exterior here. New paint on the porch. Let's take a look inside. We have a security door out front. Thank you so much for tuning in to our most recent video. If you like seeing these home tours of Memphis and the greater areas, we would greatly appreciate it if you liked and shared this video. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, back to our scheduled programming. Upon entry, we are greeted with the living room. New interior paint throughout the entire home. New LVP flooring throughout the entire home as well. New tile flooring in the bathrooms. We also have a brand new HVAC system in this property. New lighting as well. We do have LED energy efficient lighting in this home. The front windows are obviously the existing windows, but all the other windows throughout the home are brand new. This is a beautiful open layout here that flows into the kitchen. We have brand new cabinets in the kitchen. New countertop as well. Stainless steel sink. Washer and dryer is placed next to the kitchen countertop here to the left. Directly across from the kitchen island, we have the brand new HVAC system. Before we take a look at the bedrooms, I'd like to go over some numbers with you. So let's talk numbers. With a purchase price of $129,900 and a target monthly rent of $1,195 a month, you're looking at a cap rate of 8.42% and a cash-on-cash return of 7.61%. Your total cash needed to close would be $38,975, resulting in a monthly cash flow of $247.24. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms. Looking at the bedrooms, we're gonna go ahead and head directly to the primary. Here we have the area where the stove goes, new vent-a-hood. Primary bedroom, this could easily fit a queen bed and a dresser. Closet for the primary here. LVP flooring flows into the bottom, wood shelving up top, and a rod for your residents to hang their clothes. Crossing across the entryway from the back door, we have beautiful marble tile with gold accents leading into the primary bathroom. Brand new vanity in the bathroom here. Tub and shower. Exiting the primary, heading back through the kitchen, heading towards the other 2 bedrooms. We're gonna take a right and take a look at bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 could also fit a queen bed and a dresser with plenty of room to spare. We do have the electrical panel in this bedroom here. Updated electrical panel. This property also received a brand new meter as well. Closet for bedroom number 2. LVP flooring close end to the bottom, wood shelving and a rod up top for storage. Directly across the hall, we're gonna take a look at bedroom number 3. Excuse the beeping. These smoke detectors, brand new smoke detectors that we put in, they've ran out of batteries and I just unfortunately did not have any on me. Here we have bedroom number 3. Lots of natural light in this bedroom here. This bedroom could also easily fit a queen bed with a dresser as well, with room to spare. Closet for bedroom number 3. LVP flooring close end to the bottom, wood shelving and a rod up top. In between bedrooms 2 and 3, we have the shared bath. This shared bath has new tile, brand new 1-sink vanity, brand new shelf for linens, new toilet as well. Beautiful tub and shower. Now let's go take a look at the backyard. A little bit about this area. This property is in the school district of Douglas K-8, which is 6 minutes away, and Douglas High School, which is also 6 minutes away. Security door out back as well. Spacious backyard. This property is also 9 minutes away from I-240, 3 minutes away from Hollywood Park, and 5 minutes away from University Park. It is also 11 minutes away from the Nike warehouse, which is a massive employer up here in northern Memphis. Get a better look at that roof there. New steps leading up to the back door. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour in North Memphis. If you have any further questions about this property, need help building your portfolio, or just have general questions about investing in Memphis and the surrounding areas, please feel free to reach out to me and my team at turnkeyinvest.com. We also have other properties on our website as well if this property doesn't quite fit your buy box. Thanks for watching. Bye.